In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add short-form words on your keyboard. You can simply create your own text replacement on your iPhone keyboard in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your phone settings. On the settings page, tap onto the option of General. Then scroll down onto the keyboard option. Select the second option of text replacement. Tap on this plus icon to add any short-form word. Let's say this word right here. Choose your short form of your own choice. Then tap on Save and your text replacement will get added to your keyboard successfully. That's how easy it is to add short-form words to your keyboard on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.